Mark Morris, I decided at the stairs today. How are you doing today?
Hi, how are you doing?
Fine, and you? Mark Morris. Okay, how you guys doing? Decided to take the stairs. Oh, subscribe. Your old man dating tip for today. Talk to all the women. Make a big funnel. Big funnel. A lot of these women have the money. Like I'm dating the 65-year-old. She has me going to the gym. No more drinking. Make sure I drink my essential water and stuff. Subscribe. That's what I want you guys to do. You old men, be an asset to these young girls, and you'll get all the gold in the world.